Subscribe to the My Tech Tip channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. WhatsApp has got more interesting after the stickers update, and now anyone can send stickers or emojis to their friends. But the thing is, there were some really limited amount of stickers available in the shop, and rest of them are yet to release. But what if I say that you can create your own stickers on WhatsApp? Sounds interesting? Here goes nothing. So as I said that there are very limited amount of stickers present in the WhatsApp, and that is ruining everyone's fun. But now you can create your own stickers. That could be anything. You can create your own stickers, you can create your friend's stickers, or you can create your logos and use it as stickers. You can turn pretty much anything into WhatsApp stickers, as long as it is available in your gallery. So to create the custom stickers, you gotta download an application from Play Store named as Sticker Maker. Just download it and open it up, and then click on Create New Sticker Pack. Then you give a name to the pack and fill the author section. After that, click the newly made sticker pack, and here you can set an icon to your sticker pack. So just click on the tray icon and click on Select File, and then select an image from your gallery. As you can see, I have selected this image, and now I'm gonna drag my finger over the picture like this, and it will crop the image. Now once you're done with the cropping thing, now click on the Save Stickers button. After that, again do the same procedure to add stickers on this pack. Just select an image from your gallery, or you can click a selfie and set it as a stickers instantly. But as for now, I'm gonna select from gallery. And as you can see that I have selected my friend's picture, and now I'm gonna crop it. And after the cropping, I'm gonna click on Save Sticker. Doesn't it look amazing? By amazing, I mean funny. Well, that's it. You can do the same thing again and again to add more stickers. And the minimum number of publishing a sticker pack is 3, and the maximum number is 30. And once you have done adding all the stickers, then click on Publish Stickers. And as you can see that it is added into your WhatsApp. And that's, my friend, you create your own stickers on WhatsApp. So that was pretty much of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with everyone else. And I'll see you guys in the next one.